Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right, and today we are tackling a situation that makes many people break out in a cold sweat, surviving a party when you're shy.
A party, Rachel. Just the word makes me want to lock my front door and hide under the covers. Last night, I went to a housewarming and I spent 40 minutes pretending to check my phone because I didn't know how to mingle. I felt like a wallflower.
A wallflower. That's a classic idiom for someone who stays on the edges of a party and doesn't talk to anyone. But Joey, you just need a few icebreakers.
Icebreakers? Like big ships that crush the ice in the Arctic? How does that help me at a birthday party?
It's a metaphor. An icebreaker is a question or comment that starts a conversation and breaks the silence. For example, try asking, "How do you know the host?"
How do you know the host? That's simple. It gives them a chance to tell a story about college or work, right? I just listen and nod.
Exactly. You are active listening. It takes the pressure off you to be interesting and makes them feel important.
Active listening. Nods. I can do that. But what if the conversation dies down? We both just stand there looking at the dip? It's awkward.
If the energy fades, use a follow-up question. Ask, "So, what keeps you busy these days?"
What keeps you busy? That's better than what is your job, isn't it? It allows them to talk about hobbies or travel too. It's versatile.
Versatile. That means useful in many different ways. You're learning quickly, Joey. Now, what if you are stuck talking to someone who is rambling?
Rambling. That's when they talk and talk about nothing, right? Like my uncle talking about his stamp collection. How do I make an escape?
Don't just run away. Use a polite exit. Say, "It was great chatting, but I'm going to grab a refill or find the restroom."
Grab a refill. Haha, that's classic. I'm going to the kitchen for more juice. It's natural and not rude. Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the ultimate nightmare. Someone asks me a question in English and I blank out. I know the words, but they won't come out of my mouth. I look like a deer in headlights.
A deer in headlights. That's a perfect idiom for being so scared you can't move or speak. If that happens, Joey, just own it. Say, "Sorry, my mind just went blank."
My mind just went blank. That's honest. Most people will be empathetic, right? They'll wait or repeat the question.
Exactly. Most people are nervous too. Vulnerability can actually help you connect with people.
Vulnerability. Vulnerability. That's showing my true feelings. Okay, I'll be brave. What about body language, Rachel?
Body language is 70% of communication. Don't cross your arms or look at your feet. Try to mirror the other person's energy.
Mirroring. So if they are excited, I should be excited. If they are calm, I should be calm. That sounds like social engineering.
It's just natural social behavior. It makes the other person feel comfortable with you. And don't forget to give a compliment.
Give a compliment. Like, "I love your sneakers," or "That's a cool watch." People love talking about their stuff, don't they?
They do. It's an easy entry point into a conversation. "Where did you get that?" is a magic question.
Where did you get that? I'm using that tonight. Well, Rachel, I feel socially recharged. I'm going to a party and I'm not even going to hide in the bathroom once.
That's a huge victory, Joey. Just remember to be kind to yourself. You don't have to be the life of the party.
The life of the party. That's the loudest, funniest person, right? I'll leave that to you, Rachel. I'll just be the guy who listens well.
That's a great role to play. Let's review our survival vocabulary.
Vocabulary review. 1. Wallflower. Idiom or noun. Meaning, a person who has no one to dance with or who feels shy, awkward, or excluded at a party. Example, he used to be a wallflower, but now he's much more confident in social situations. 2. Icebreaker. Noun. Meaning, a thing that serves to relieve inhibition or tension between people. Example, asking about someone's weekend is always a great icebreaker at the office. 3. Active listening. Noun phrase. Meaning, a way of listening and responding to another person that improves mutual understanding. Example, active listening involves nodding and asking questions to show you're paying attention. 4. Dies down. Phrasal verb. Meaning, to gradually become less loud, enthusiastic, or strong. Example, the music died down as the party came to an end. 5. Versatile. Adjective. Meaning, able to adopt or be adopted to many different functions or activities. Example, a basic white shirt is very versatile. You can wear it to a party or a meeting. 6. Rambling. Adjective or verb. Meaning, of writing or speech, lengthy and confused or inconsequential. Example, he went on a rambling story about his cat that lasted for 20 minutes. 7. Grab a refill. Phrase. Meaning, to get more of a drink, usually coffee, soda, or a party drink. Example, excuse me for a moment, I'm going to grab a refill of water. 8. Blank out. Phrasal verb. Meaning, to suddenly be unable to remember something. Example, I knew the answer to the question, but I blanked out during the exam. 9. Empathetic. Adjective. Meaning, showing an ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Example, she was very empathetic when I told her about my stress at work. 10. Mirroring. Verb or gerund. Meaning, the behavior in which one person subconsciously imitates the gesture, speech pattern, or attitude of another. Example, mirroring someone's body language can help build trust quickly. 11. Entry point. Noun phrase. Meaning, a way of beginning to do something or becoming involved in something. Example, complimenting someone's outfit is a great entry point into a conversation. 12. The life of the party. Idiom. Meaning, a person who is very lively and entertaining at a social gathering. Example, with his jokes and high energy, he's always the life of the party.
Use this bridge to explore the world. We are always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.